Ocean Command Air Costo. My majority for the Kaba Montene Becca Yansana later no Bank of Ghana for now so at the report on the Bami name who the Pietri. I say Bimu say I didn't have fana man your some quaso. Some Nankasa said there was a canon on Yasana more church with the effa. More MPP for Muhuni saying
I didn't buy the come and say for Bijiri said the high intimate mammy. I'm in change shy from my tier for 9 cents or more basso. Made a meguso abon shy from a santimam BBC major station. I open so casa Nagan in Atia AM shy film and a consistently more yard there. MPP for in polling station elections.
Yeah,
so far so good. Until the beer be a coso a boko BBNC and Yabeguso
as a taco no matter say the Jassy because to say
no. Yeah, polling stations elections be na baku pebi. General Secretary of Party for better say I'm a Santa region so far so good. Tiabeguso party phoning in cry say Ubianfan and India Chile.
Okay.
Mitiso can police for us me.
Yes,
the regional police
yes,
commander.
Yes.
Another solid human being.
Yes,
the regional police commander. Yen drawn attention to it.
Mr. Kutu, yes.
The drawn attention. Say Asantimamu see ye baby see biano. Mijiri say it's not the best. Nien country union police for say no. Obi kra mobile phone record.
Yeah.
Obi natadi e back from the book record.
Yeah, because that video here show you. I think say we say anya batim sini bia de bekeswa. Because the phone kra no.
Yes.
And what you.
Yeah. Send cry record. Enti enei akoya na baby wiase duru na akoya hweye onu bi dili na oka se me ye ni sum kokoa mu a wa hweye a obewie na ne me wa aboti mu me etiri mu nya fine on the issue of Bank of Ghana NDC aban politics any mamu fanye politics me to abrante ani munyamfo ya
na oni ni Samuel Adomako
fantastic solid guy any explanation of them o tufo mamu fanye politics owie no asaka die nti na abasa o bisa ni sa de pan o si na ye den na akoba ni sei o si na no de si ye nti no no so gidi said ye kwaso sa say said no si kano no is the best Bank of Ghana o mine sika
crowd bad time
obosi kasem ehun ban e maye wo Ghana ha me gidi say it say we unity fie na musika kasem na mo source of revenue dey emfa ni agrowth and as no na ma mo survival enti ye Bank of Ghana no anke ho nsem no eni say ye dey ye twe no sere ni abasa every now on Wednesday issue we bab until we see next Saturday dey uko social media and enya senketwa social media and Ghana democracy ni say dey say na dwempa apart from yen radio another major platform Ghana for kasa social media
of course
it person who the feelings and the emotions of the Ghanaian people what they are thinking about governance and the issues in the country go to social media no one enter the opposite no and the Ghanaian people across board and then Obi doesn't want to be you shouldn't be at Nhyira FM studio as an waka the how it's been time across social media metie nsemo Ghana for ka any the way we can say exaggeration and the response omodema references are videos that die and in some way ankenye news ankenye wanwa looking at the mandate primary responsibility butayan kasa yete Bank of Ghana ni dwumadi asase odi obi ka se nkenye wanwa ne die ntine ne aba ye kane kakraka ni ye twene sere ni abasa na no de si yentia and I know the in the year 2020 COVID-19 by post COVID-19 Ghana economy ni say the see any man adumpa na ebinsi da maka me say COVID-19 fi say me be we are over 40 years in you know ebinsi da ye no mmerɛ afo nkɔkrafo a yebeto wo mo no omo say ebinsi da say yade we are se betimi enima betimi asaya ma nipa gudam yempie ye ni enye so the stabilize however to Ghana economy 2021-2022 no it was serious eti the ama na yeka Bank of Ghana asema abayi e dey see 2023 aka Bank of Ghana boy any anu omo tia konwa so nei ensem omo kan yekoda sori anopa da krope na my majority for NDC for omo abem
sure
Edi press conference omumra shebedwafo a omo parliament edi kan eba abontene ebe kasama Bank of Ghana edi press conference betu udwa edin kan be ye omo be Ghana for adwene ho adwuma kane ebe kire yen ka omo be Ghana for ho adwene ho adwuma kane ebe kire de asie o Bank of Ghana na asem si Nhyira FM a radio station foforo na be ka ho asem dabi Nhyira for na neka nti di ama na ye akoye dede na ye Ghana for nyina anwanwa no ba
se fan ho de oba be kan kakra
dabi e wo sen kamra se de mra ne sitie no Ghana mra act mra na ye de Bank of Ghana no e sa hye wo mo so mo for mo financial statement meto abontene by the end of June every year
yes
etin kai wo shema Bank of Ghana ne se ono ade ba betuja NDC majority na antwen ama Bank of Ghana na fa betuja no mo di kan e be ye Ghana for ho adwuma be test waters. The next 2 days, and a Bank of Ghana be post 2 financial statements on our page.
Yes. And
I pay the Ghana for be brilliant, and I see a quack and need 30 minutes, and I'm saying be delete to free her. After the whole Bank of Ghana page now, really ho. I be raising suspicion.
Yeah.
Obi antiasie.
Then e koso.
I say, omo the Ghana for diagro, a huabo Bank of Ghana for a huabo NDC abino, a huabo majority abino is shaking. When Kenya said the mini abranti na ojina hekan. Kenya if you say and normal looking like the mandate, the responsibility, primary responsibility. A Bank of Ghana said yes, obe manage the Ghanaian economy, inflation, prices of goods. It's quite bad. Aba for so bit me. Utie reasons are. Bank of Ghana I subscribe to a kind of 14.5 billion. Almost a sound on me and the baby, Mlano so bought a Makwenya. But in 2023, yet Kroma, I was looking at videos at Samijan V nominee NDC for a year in 2023 when 9.5 billion. Bank of Ghana kroye try so very restore the Ghanaian economy no one is say be to hwa ma yetimi atanase akotira betira mo man no asomdua bamu no 9.5 billion the car buy in 2023 2024 2023 no and some NDC for ni same no ne omum pani for kafa
2023 was 10,000 yes 10 million
9.5 million and then no 10 million kra
ozi enuru
10 million kra.
But we record someone 10 million.
Approximate.
Oh, right.
But when someone can say now it was too bad. To the extent say, Sabia Dr. Addison and all Bank of Ghana, Governor Numpono, you see what a criminal, you didn't be tomb, you be man at them, and no man nay, sir. 15.5 billion year Ghana for 1 year movie a cast. But I think say, and I'm a constituent from online page. Almost got to 19.5 billion.
Yeah.
19.5 billion, almost 20 billion. And yenu minority for also suspect say I in a book. I could read it on Dr. Gideon Boako, one of the finest economists.
But here in city for the now we are basing on the Bank of Ghana.
The Bank of Ghana,
yeah,
15. The NPP minority no cry can detain. Go by we no. Our Brazil one way any no betu. O me massage niam kakra because e ba yen the entire NDC majority for the can be kasa. I mean, I posting on Bank of Ghana website here, delete. There's a certain suspicion. Bibi or SSC you see you. Maybe they may keep by next week and then Saturday.
Sure.
Minority force up from Monday, the official position of the minority in Parliament. Any I've read the Dr. Gideon Boakon's page.
Yeah.
I also quote about 40 billion. Dr. Gideon Boakon in image crown. Ministers of a cancer be a gumwana, wapen baby the atana.
Okay.
Mummy and John also 70 by next week, you know. Sansom win in a bit me about. Matiti, what you get in common baby? Matiti and common baby, which ya and inflation is a few 23. About one of the reasons they were just citing say, I had the walk camp, I had the
sure.
It's a man penny for science from Kachino. Inflation was 23, about 5%.
Yeah.
Prices of goods I then get. Be and reflect a book one more, a book one some more on the ground.
And you know, question
science more Kenyan. And I say, Ghana for better life. My bravo koye or money J. No more we are channel. Impact be pan and somewhere in your NDC for they are buying catching. Enyan or the other Ghanaian. And I'm no Casane. So we'll say, One ma Ghana for aboka almost 16 billion. Ama prices of goods ko for Montino. Akuaforte ma akuaforte adwira. Omado bro. Omo bro na omo do no. Ghana for kure nya sika mpo mfa nkoto bro ni mo nya sika ato mboto mu a e dey impact na economy no why no. Me no ti kro ma wonti no social media say adwira tebubu amanten. Kase omu kuya nuban kwatechi ma ya nuban o ma ye kuafo aye nyina agora no Ghana fo nya sika nkoto.
Yes. So no the minority for no call ho no mo no na no mo catch
minority apart from minority individuals are making videos ukwa adwira market enura metie sanja nanja tebu tebu amanten MP a onu su o NDC MP o su ekwan a akuafo ne manfo ne makra ye nto enya minority na eka eti u catch them so about 15 point something billion ama Ghana for ntimi nya sika ntue botom inflation because all fighting the rate at which the prices of goods increases. I don't know how way.
Yes.
And as the council will money one they determine inflation. It will say what bought money to the extent that Ghana for yes come to your bottom. Yet me the Jenny, yet you to Quenina wado Bruno, Quenia wado by ye. On only near my good demo yes can toss your money and some more buying. Yeah, by some money about my buy. And this about the policy failure, where policy failure, almost policies are failure almost completely. They should come to the grounds. Omo from no mo hwehwe mo hu sen semwa omo tinkran omo adwen so omo ye on the grounds. It's not reflecting. It's not reflecting. You see, sometimes politicians there's too much the inconsistencies. Adie bia NDC can want some in opposition in government. They are doing the contrary. Adie bia omo kan bo MPP in opposition. Oh, say, omo ba they are doing the contrary.
O share Dr. Bracon ni statement ni mo a. Na just ono crowd o che say 44.52 million billion rather.
By next week, billion. Document will support this
right up.
Me na make a show. Oh, me and it was Monday, Tuesday, Munga. As a minority akache. Yes, who di council or court wa. Na won deep him. And this is for majority na di kan be kasa. And a Bank of Ghana officially wa post you. Yes. And I feel my you see one of the things I may pet democracy power, especially the opposition is opposition na me hunu no kra woman. And I know MPP minority TC koko kwem koko fo na ke ka se ya te koko akuafo sika so na utifia na you are not getting the feeling untini ye wo so normal yet kroma na NDC appointees akoko fo makofa NDC executive bi no maka oh ye koko na aban ate so nko ye ni age hona yenua
another prayer
another prayer ni team no se da bi me enko tie the real issues because otuko no no mudi kan akoye no we saw some videos obi a onye akuya da kwa so ekuani NDC executives pa ni Roma koko fuo bi mu
I say minority for so call ya
minority for do say ekuani a ono what this so article ko ama bibia we no you can see
omo de account no
go koko ekuani pa ono wabo atodwe oh sa koko ni enimu o ye koko
akuafo ma ka wo na otimi so ekuani papa
na koko ekuani papa ben ene betimi asaka che otuko no say me who told me koko 34 million. What is over 25 million? Osimeni aje. It was not true until another umpreno to see koko kwem. Mimi di achire bi kotie nsem the real cocoa farmers. The experience in what they are going through. Now we catch them and say they were happy. I won't believe it. Me say not until when say minority in parliament. Ebe babon tina almost did the true a car yabon. Master, you can't believe in what government is telling us. Me there's one thing I've seen and I've observed about this government. I said, "Bia, omo kind of position be omo they are doing worse." In 2023, a car near Canwas and Bank of Ghana was just 9.5. Now it costs 10 billion. Yeah. Even that be the case, 10 billion
is million rather.
10 million. Yeah. Tien semwa yenu anu kai. Tien sempa and this is for kai. Then they all about 15.5 billion. Then it says nobody will agree with you. Yeah, omo opposition. When someone will come for cocoa zemo. Cocoa NDC, you have about 70 million. Monto aba my NDC about power, Sankwari, about 70 million
cocoa need the NDA. Almost say, can say, Omo Beshe Sika, ye ton with drama. So, no, my team, I'm word you are so. Yeah, Quanya, your fast to cocoa Ghana. So, Nibuana Kosrona train, some chairman Nibuana Kosuru Baby Bear,
utra nye so bete eno ne chacha na yesi aban ne to omo akromati ase se omo ye mistake eni ti na NDC for na nka se blame cocoa board panyini no time one time one so to cocoa no one to Ghana cocoa no ene ko fa akare bae enti bossa omo hye ye bae beto ne 70 million nko betimi nanso wo twen aso wo twen ama ne bo na was international market na koso ena wanye samfo so no magia tum oh I know you different yes when me go ase in opposition some beto 70 million 70 million and then omate so afiri akufo ado 34 million no e dey about 25 million
you know they made a currency yes abet
so from November besine omomdom koko sha npo yenti omka
ba koko ne nkan wo di bayi na because the art ne say mon crofon so hihye akiri sika ye de ama koko bias ne so mo mfa nto koko no mo hihye akiri ka chom se mo nto Ghana fo koko ne mo nkoto abricos for de
adwempa asem I respect you na saying we yenyini enti asem enti no amintimi nya no se de menka ne bi nya so me
no minister account it's not coming from
me na saying me nyini kakra me first no pa asem we nka me ya no bi ankenye
okay
how can you tell me say koko obi a ono to koko a okura sika open koko atagwaji ni sika ye MPP fo etima chini Ghana ha nyina ni koko atofo na kokasa aka so mom nto Ghana fo koko what is the sense in this what is the sense in what they are saying
Mama interest menya
no minji wachini
yeah
bono regional minister me regional ministers no I don't want to talk about them I'm taking a personal decision said your tears way and then your obono ni me nyina me pese meka bi
the otimoso
no I think that is a personal decision I have taken
okay
me pese your tears no I have taken since Ashanti regional minister, especially the the attitude, the posture.
Because what tears so I dodo.
Okay.
Yeah, minister.
Ashanti regional minister. Yes. The posture, the attitude, the demeanor. Personally, I have told myself, say the way Ashanti regional minister reduced the office of the regional minister and then the predecessors into certain the way I don't want to talk about it because you see, me Ochena say Dr. Mamudu Bawumia be di mampanyi no ofrem say me di regional minister me di ani gie na be kwa akodi
sure
and panifo ma be di regional minister I was antimamu ano o say me this high respect na ma omo
yes
also this high respect ma omo me the office of the president hey nipa bebrebe pa na his excellency Dr. Mamudu Dr. John Dramani Mamudu
one now is your person
John Mahama
okay
me dem Dr. Bawumia Mamudu no na me train ni ana convince me kakra John Dramani Mahama a fantastic human being nipa bebrebe no na mampanyi you can't disrespect the man
sure.
No it's the last thing I may Sana as regional minister Ashanti region over 4 million near you as regional minister I was seeing the respect kasiye and the man you are the representative of the president and the government when I would the answer me na koma mampanyi no cry and to me I don't expect anybody in the region so dig Ashanti regional minister nimbe to form Sansona me say me pese the regional minister did ni predecessors na no hina je kum nom Simon Semensa nom mpanifo titiro a o makupa da office no enfo ni mu nyagro and that office no say the man you conduct yourself in such a way say ubaya politics there but you have to so who said obesi aye no enti me personally I don't want to comment about the regional minister enti men ko fa bro regional minister because some na work no one control who your response no will be very disrespectful. Okay. How can you come and tell me say koko kuani ono otifie train sika yen na mfie mu ka kire koko akuafo say koko atofo say omo nkoto koko look at the video he did even last week say wakochi nipa bi omo lodu koko makoto the propaganda the deceit is getting too much in this government propaganda
or some betimi
no it is obi afani ko ba bia odo ngusu kan see aban be ko opposition they have been in government just 1.5 years. The MPP was in power.
Yes.
Yeah, opposition. I saw it.
Yeah.
You can't. Me say NDC Abaway. They are already in opposition. Omo opposition Rio.
NDC government.
Abaway. Omo opposition. Omo opposition that ada. We shall see the dia so far. Me Pentecost ni. Me shall see Pankrone Estate. And I'm called Central. Me Pentecost ni. You can't tell me. say 4 million church members and then you did so for penina temaka and not democracy. Adom wona wode adom madam Mary Ewusi.
Yes.
Because of common Galamsey.
Prison see
you. What me cassette ya suffer on penwasem.
So a patcho.
Look at the if
Ama you can say chief of staff.
Abayin co-opposition say what the koko akwa over 1 million omo dependent omo yiri omo girls. And I mean no ti kroma yi. Kokeje tia ne kohwe. Yam tade. Because koko akwa ni na all trains here beton the cocoa Nessican or the abakajeti or the bedroom abedi show. Or the abeto Tony or the aqua magazine aberry penny car, or beto ties, you're going to car say, or beto Tony mat TV, or beto fridge, no that was in the field, Nissi Kanaka, and Tadia, a buy co position as I promise I demand students, maybe I'm automatic recruitment.
Yeah.
Nina near Juma, sir, only students were problem. Look at us, maybe I met you, no more problem, health workers. No more problem. Omu baby, unka ho. Obi aye adwuma 1.5 years, getting to 2 years. Untia omu ka, omu su gu ho twen. Galamsey fo na wo hye omu bonane nam Galamsey site. Kokwa akuafo a ye twom go dudu Galamsey. Ene Shanty region ha, yesoma nipa ne a invade Galamsey site. Ni akoto tumubotom, ni agimu sika. You are fighting with them.
About Shanty region.
I'm telling you. Crowing. And some way na yeni because the NDC is going to opposition. Sane yanete me see ya wa be.
You are not helping us. Because more opposition adwuma ne say if say no man nkoyi a mo
adwuma sa bite akonwa so no for opposition na so asisi ne huna bo o ka asem bi aban no ntie na so asi ne huna bo obeye nyansafo Anianti Kroma, yeti Kroma. Me make a lot of references to our government.
Make you
opposition. Your party MPs now put me fu. Yes, he say now buy his regional fan. Let us all co-opposition. No, by way, a co-opposition. But I want to say this, Mampani John Mahama, respectfully, I respect that handsome man. Dear me, can you say, Oba, Okwawari on cha, Utubancha unia.
Okay.
Oba, Okwawari on channel, Utubancha unia. Asembia NDC kai bia in opposition. They are doing the opposite. They are doing the contrary. And nti ena obeka Bank of Ghana in 2023 aboka 9 something million. Then they obebo 15.5 million. So why are there because my inflation prices of goods come from was stabilizing the price of goods. Dollar CD wabeka can send bebre obi a wabo kan o say no nsamrane.
So the same way no mo so be call senka Owura Dr. Addison Asiama rather. I mean, it's not saying ya arrested you.
No, you see, say we the say now. The SNA it has exposed the hypocrisy, double standard, deceit, and this for the power in 2020. You see, me, I will not agree with any person. So, be mount to press conference stage said yes. I mean, oh, you didn't tum or this way a criminal. MPP amamu ya kronfo yo mansika dabi. No. Okay. But it has exposed the double standard, the hypocrisy, propaganda, and deceit. Opposition, you know.
Okay.
And the deceive Ghana for and normally about power, hear the same thing. Me say. I did be in opposition. One year no double. We do so, and we are careful to be worse. And then what's almost saying or Galamsey it is becoming worse. Unemployment issue. There are a lot of issues about ways so subjected them to what they told Ghanaians. Any converse in your power. Me the American are buying or co-opposition. Say ya netie. I buy co-opposition as well as see. Not Jinimono, the baby or you say okay. No masaka to say eh ntisi kai aboy ena de ba omi abeba power na yate
okay
wo de say na de ba omi abeba power eni ma ni nyina be ka bom na ye be hwe de besie
me da say enti Sarfo no MPP youth organizer Sante region and our training kanona